Hi there, welcome back to the channel. You know, there are just all kinds of things that get me to think like anything. Maybe some of these will make you think too. So, let's get started. Fact number 1. Do you know, we wouldn't be able to tolerate the quietest place on the earth for not even an hour. Yes, it is true. Silence may give us a pleasant feeling, but too much of it will drive us mad. There is an anechoic chamber at Offield Laboratories in Minnesota, which is so quiet so that the background noise can be measured in negative decibels. An anechoic chamber is a room designed to absorb reflections of either sound or electromagnetic waves completely. They are also isolated from waves entering from their surroundings. According to the lab's founder Stephen Offield, you'll hear your heart beating, the expansion and contraction of your lungs, and sometimes you can listen to your stomach gurgling loudly. People who entered the room have trouble standing for long periods because humans use sounds to orient themselves. So, any person who entered the place needs to be seated. According to Offield, the longest anybody has been able to bear it is 45 minutes only. Fact number 2. Hidden apartment in the Eiffel Tower. When Gustave Eiffel designed the Eiffel Tower, he included a secret apartment at the top of the landmark. But he never lived there, no one did. Instead, he used that space to entertain special guests like Thomas Alva Edison. Even though it wasn't big, the apartment was furnished with wooden furniture and decorated with colorful wallpaper and also contains a grand piano. He allowed no one to use that space. Even today, 97 years after his death, the tradition continues, with the apartment only opening rarely for public view. Fact number 3. Wimbledon tennis balls are all stored at perfect room temperature. Since the temperature affects the quality of bouncing, all Wimbledon tennis balls are stored at precisely 68 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature inside the ball is cooler, it bounces lower, and if the temperature is warmer, it bounces higher. To make sure the best tennis balls are used, the temperature must be kept constant for competitive reasons. For the same reason, Wimbledon goes through more than 50,000 tennis balls every year. Fact number 4. We need saliva to taste the food, not only taste buds. We produce about a liter of saliva per day. Over the entire lifetime, we produce an amount of saliva which is enough to fill 2 large swimming pools. Food, without being dissolved in saliva, the receptors on our taste buds can't detect the taste of food molecules. So, next time when you are eating your food, give it a try. Fact number 5. Do you know, a book about the Titanic sinking was published years before it actually did? Yes. The Wreck of the Titan by Morgan Robertson was published in 1898, and the Titanic sank in 1912. The book features a cruise ship named Titan that sinks in the North Atlantic Ocean after hitting an iceberg, and the same happened to the Titanic at the same location. Fact number 6. In 1952, Albert Einstein was offered with the Israeli presidency. After the death of first Israeli President Chaim Weizmann, Israeli Foreign Affairs Minister and Deputy Prime Minister Abba Eban contacted Albert Einstein to know if he was interested in becoming the President of Israel. But Einstein replied that he was deeply moved by the offer, but he cannot accept it because he lacks experience in politics. Fact number 7. Charlie Chaplin once entered a Charlie Chaplin look-alike competition and lost. In 1975, a few years before his death, Charlie Chaplin participated in a look-alike competition in France, but he came third, not first. The reason is judges didn't recognize his blue eyes since all the TV shows at that time are in black and white. Fact number 8. The original name for the search engine Google was Backrub. After that, it was renamed as Google. The name was a play on the mathematical expression for the number 1 followed by 100 zeros, and aptly reflected Larry and Sergey's mission to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful to everyone. Fact number 9. Do you know, the US military trains dolphins and sea lions for military purposes? Yes. The US military is training dolphins and sea lions since the 1960s under the US Navy Marine Mammal Program to carry out a variety of military tasks. They serve different tasks from locating underwater mines to detecting enemy swimmers. The US Navy tested more than 19 species to determine which would be the best for the jobs they needed. Though the bottlenose dolphin and the Californian sea lions were considered the best. The unique feature of the bottlenose dolphin is the capability of biosonar, helping to find underwater mines. The Sea Lion's asset is their pure underwater vision, which can help to detect underwater enemy swimmers. Fact number 10. Do you know? The first iPhone wasn't made by Apple. Yes, what you heard was true. The first iPhone model was released by Infogear in 1998 with combined features of a standard phone and a web terminal. The company was later acquired by Cisco, and no new products were launched on that name until 2006. At the end of 2006, Cisco rebranded its phones on that name just 22 days before Apple announced an iPhone. A day later, after Apple announced the iPhone, Cisco announced that it is filing a lawsuit against Apple. This led to a trademark dispute between Apple and Cisco, which was later resolved on February 20, 2007. That's it for today. If you've enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button, and if you're visiting our channel for the first time, click subscribe to stay with us.